So place value of a digit in a number simply is a position of a digit in a given number. So consider this number here. So this number has 60 digits. And each digit in this number has its own position. So each digit has its own position. And how can we find, how can we locate the position of a digit in a given number? For example, consider this number. So to locate the position of a digit, always we start from right hand side to left hand side. So the first digit here is 6. And to know the value in each position of a digit, so example the values is like ones for the first digit, tens for the second digit, hundreds for the third digit, and so on. So for example, consider this number here. So we can say 60 is the first number, so is equal to 60 times 1, because the 60 is in ones. And the 9 here is in tens, so is equal to 9 times 10. Total value of each digit. So 3 is in hundreds, so is equal to 3 times hundreds. And the 4 here is in thousand. For 4 is in thousands, so is equal to 4 times 1,000. So the total value of 4. Here 5, total value of 5 is equal to 5 times 10,000, because the 5 is in thousands. And the 1 here is in 100,000. So the value of 1, total value of 1 is equal to 1 times 100,000. So we can write any numeral or any number in the expanded form. So for example, if we consider the first example here, so if you have to write this number in expanded form, so is equal to, so starting from the first number, which is in 100,000, we take 1 times 100,000, then it follows by those numbers going to right hand side. So we plus 5 times 10,000 plus 4 times 1,000 plus 3 times 100 plus 9 times 10 plus 6 times 1. So this one we call it number in expanded form. So 1 here, we say 1 is in 100,000. The position of 1 is in 100,000. And 5 is in 10,000. And the position of 4 is in thousands. The position of 3 is in hundreds. And the position of 9 is in tens. And the last one, which is 60, is in ones. So now let us look example number 1. So example number 1. So says write this number, you have given this number in a expanded form. So Now we are going to see how can we write this number in expanded form. So solution. So for the first number from right is in ones, followed by 2 is in tens. So the place value of 1 here is in 100. So and the place value of 3 here is in thousands. So followed by 4 is in 10 thousands. Then followed by 5. So 5 here is in 100 thousands. So also the next number is 7. Then 7 is in millions. And followed by 80. 80 is in 10 millions. And the last digit is 9. So 9 is in 100 millions. So to arrange this number in expanded form, so we are going to start with the first number from left side, which is 9 times 100 million, then plus 80 times 10 million, plus 70 times 1 million, plus 5 times 100,000, plus 4 times 10,000, plus 3 times 1,000, plus 4 times 100, plus 2 times 10, and the last one is 4 times 1. So example number 2, so you have given a number or a numeral in expanded form, so you have to write in short form. So also let us see how can we do with this kind of question. So it is a simple one. So solution. So simple. So come to the first number, then you take the first number, which is 7. Then the second number, take 80, the first number. Third number, take 4. So followed by, in this number, take 9. Also on this number, take only 5 and leave those zeros. Then you come to this, take 2. And also take 6. And to 10 you can take 1. And the last one is 3. So done.